week 11 of the Everyday Moments digital collection. Is called Dream, and it has a layered heart on it with fringe. And I'm going to show you an easy way to attach that fringe. Some of my adaptations for the 8.5 by 11 has an elongated heart, where this one I just made it an 8 by 8 square and made a same style heart as the 12 by 12 page. So I'm going to take the heart and put the fringe on it for you. Now the first one, I draw a line where I want to place it, because you want the color to also show up in the stitching around the heart. So if you place the first one right, you're all set for the next. So instead of worrying about taping each layer, I'm just going to run some tape runner over the heart in different directions. Might have to add some later on, but this is easier than attaching the adhesive to all the glue, or all the fringe, I mean. Now, I did find that the shiny, I used Blue Skies leftover cardstock, and the shiny images, or the shiny paper, had more difficulty cutting. So I placed the line where I want my first one. I want to extend just a little bit past it. Let's see if I can get this square. There we go. And I just lay it on top. And you go to your next color. Now I'm going to overlap these a little bit. I just push down. Later we can trim that around if we want. They use whole pieces on everything. And like I said, the shiny had a little trouble cutting. So you can trim or give it a little haircut after. So I'm placing them right above the solid line. Okay, the next color is the lighter green. This lighter green cut really well. Whereas my darker green is regular cardstock, and it left a lot of hair. The worst one to cut of all was yellow. See, it's wrinkly. It is fringe, so it doesn't matter that it's wrinkly, and you can straighten out quite a bit with your hair. I mean, with your fingers. Okay, now let's see, orange. Sure, you could just speed this up to show you how I did this. Still learning how to use this YouTube stuff. I did go back and make a couple more fringes. Hopefully we'll have enough to cover this. Oop, I think light, dark, and red. Okay. I love the shiny on the Blue Skies cardstock. I think a lot depends on how sticky your mat is. That was my problem. And now that I'm showing you this, I think I'm going to have a little trouble covering it all. I must have overlapped a little bit. So you will see that we might have to add some more layers. You know, the only one I have right now It's purple. I think I need to go back down to green. So I'm not even going to finish this demonstration, but it'll give you an idea for how to plan. I think if I cut off these greens here, well, maybe if I cut off these greens, I think they'll fit right up there. So that is what I'll do to finish this one. But this gives you an idea. So when you go to put this back on, it's really easy to position it because you have the heart shape already cut out. You can also do it on the under page, on 8.5 by 11 page, or a 12 by 12 page if you're using the larger heart, and then you can attach full lengths. But since I had difficulty covering up here, I think I will trim this off and use that to cover. So have fun making your heart and plan a little better than I did.